So we are going to sign in into our books and inventory. So let's quickly sign. Since we have created account for books already, I'm going to sign in into my Zoho Books now. Let's see where we stopped last week. So I'm signing into my books, and from the other tab, I'm going to type Zoho Inventory. Zoho Inventory. So Zoho Inventory login. The book is logging in, and let's log in to Zoho Inventory too. So now, because I'm already inside Zoho, I already have a Zoho account for my books. So here, it's asking me to access Zoho Inventory. So I will click on this and log in into books. Okay. So I'm connecting into my Zoho Books now, and inventory. Something I want to use here is Niger Craft Work Limited. So I'm going to my company. Now let's log in into our books. The same way we registered for books, the same way you can also sign up for inventory. Right. Now, for now, since I already have my books in place, so I already have some companies here before. What I'm going to do now is don't need this for now, guys. So I will go to the company, then I will click on manage. Here, I'm going to create a new organization. But since I already have the company here, I will click on join your organization. New organization. I'm going to join this Craft Work Limited now. So I'm joining Craft Work Limited. So we have the Zoho Books and we have inventory. Now, from when I will create this account, once this account is ready, because I'm joining to this, by default, it will come with the organization details. It will come with details that we already filled inside the books. So I will click on get started. It takes me inside Zoho Inventory. So you can see that I don't have much settings to do. So instead of starting to create the profile again, we don't need to do that again. We already have those set up in our system. So all this one, we already have them. The setting up of the company, that is to register, sign up, whatever. So we already have the profile already in books. So we don't need to start from scratch again. So we are going to go, we will go straight to some other basic settings as we progress in the training. So these are our settings on the Zoho Books, on Zoho Inventory. But before we do that, I will go to my books, and I can come to settings under the books. Then since I've connected my account, I can also come here and type inventory. So inventory. I can connect my inventory from here too. I can also connect my inventory if it has not been connected. So inventory is active. So I think that is good. So now whatever we do here now will show up in our Zoho books. So let's get started into the next settings that we need to do on our Zoho Books.